Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have something I want to share to you today. I got this journal kit from Chic, who is just a wonderful person, but I love her channel. She always has great ideas and stuff, and she puts these little journal kits. And I got this one because it's called New Beginnings, and this is a little thing that she sends with them, and she has like a special little message on the back. But I just love this because this year, 2023, is kind of like a new beginning for me. So anyway, I just want to share the kit with you. So hang on a minute, and I'm going to put you down here. Okay, so this is how it all comes packaged. It's all nicely done, and always has this nice little piece of lightweight chipboard, which would be good for another journal or something. So she always sends a little package. Little thank you gifties, and there's like a claim check and a message thing and a little card that says sleep on it. Some extra little tickets. These are the days, just little things like that, and then plus a glossine bag. And then let's look at the journal itself. This is so beautiful. And I want to try to keep this tissue paper because I like to use tissue paper in my journal sometimes. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to leave this background down here. It's really pretty. So it comes, this is the journal. It's called New Beginnings. It comes with this lovely coffee dyed scrunchy up seam binding. And then it came with like this little feather, like pink feather with a gold tip on it. So her inspiration was a lot of birds and things in this one. So, and then this is a piece of wallpaper that's sewed on here with some ribbon, and then the title New Beginnings on here. This is so lovely. Now, she has started working on her kit on the YouTube channel, Cheaply Chic. And she said this morning that she does have some of these left. I will link her channel. She is not on Etsy anymore, so I will link her channel or this video down below in the description box, and that way you can look up and go to her website. So here's the inside of it. I love this paper. This is light blue paper, and I know you can't see it, but it's got like little musical notes all over it. And then on the inside, it's got the feathers and just some coffee dyed paper, like writing paper, and this really pretty stationery paper. And then just some book pages, some, whatever this paper stuff's called. I cannot, y'all, words are not coming for me easily lately. Just some of the, this, anyway. I love the heart tea-dyed paper. And then some graph paper inside of a book. And look how pretty these pictures are. So just pretty much, like I said, it's pretty much plain. There's a little pocket, little envelope that's in here. And then this is the middle, and she always leaves the strings pretty long because she always includes these little hearts. So basically, we're just going to do a quick flip through because most of this is the same. There's other than the paper bag, long tea-dyed paper, another tip out, the other side of this, and then the other side of that, book page. So basically, and this is the other part of the beautiful paper that she had in here, like stationery paper. So that's the journal. Basically, it comes blank, and you decorate it. And let me show you what all that entails. So here is the kit that comes with it. It's a beautiful kit. Let's open. So inside the kit, sorry guys, I should have done this before, but I didn't. I got some tape. It comes secured. Take off this masking tape. So it always comes bagged up. Okay, so let's just go through this. This is a little kit. It just has different tag different kinds of things to like put tags and stuff on, fibers. So it's got some thick blue and pink and gold and neutral color fibers. And then on the back of this is a little teeny tiny bag, and it just has some teeny tiny little paper clips in it. So I'm gonna leave those, or I think it's paper clips, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave those in the bag so we don't get lost. And I'm not gonna take the fibers out. And then also that comes with this is a handmade bookmark. Every one of her journals she does these, and she had a video this time showing how she made these. Isn't that pretty? And you just put that in your book somewhere. And I'm kind of like Lynette. I don't really put it to keep moving around. When I put it in my book, I kind of use washi tape or something like that to tape it down in the middle so it doesn't get lost. Because one of the first journals I ever got from her, I lost my little bookmark like that, and I was so sad because it fell out. So that comes with it. And then this little pouch right here, you get another gold paper clip and a little claim check ticket, little index card, and then all these little goodies in here. I'm trying to keep all these little goodies back in here. So you get this beautiful small glossing bag blue, and then look at these little stickers. They are just so beautiful. I love them. And then she's included some saying stickers like, try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. I love that. Just one more chapter. That's me at night when I'm reading. Be happy. And then she has all these cut out feathers. Now, these are just beautiful. They're little punch outs. Whoops. And this is actually a sticker. Isn't that pretty? And then she has some flags cut out. I'm trying to put them back in my hand so I don't lose them. And then as always, Lynette always includes 4 little hearts that you can put on your string, or you can put something else on the middle strings, or use them somewhere else. But they're just so cute. So there's 4 of those, and I'm going to put them back in my hand so I don't lose them. 2 little price tags. 1 of these. And then 2 little these tags. Some white tickets, so these will be fun to stamp on. And another little coin envelope type envelope. And then another little feather, a gold feather. And then also these garment pins, like the light bulb pins, with some beads and a feather. That would be cute to make like a little dangle or something for your journal. I'm going to try to put all these back in here now without losing everything. And there goes a heart. There goes some... I knew that was going to happen. Every time I try to do this. That's okay. We'll get it all back in there. I see them. So, like I said, this kit is just really a beautiful little kit. And for me, like, I still have some Valentine's kits to work on. Well, not kits, but just journals I want to do. And before Valentine's Day. So, I'm really trying to get some filming done. It's kind of hard to find a place, especially when it's raining outside. But, okay, so that comes with that. A little gold paper clip. I'm going to put that back on there. And then with this part, you get a playing card. I love this, the bird. And then there's a musical note card. Like this is a quarter rest. And it tells you on the back. And then a little doily on that. And then another little blue glossing bag. I love these little bags, y'all. They're so awesome. Even if they're too big for my journal, I always find something to do with them. And then look at this little mini CD thing. This is going to make a cute little shaker. and then a library card and the envelope for it. And then she always stamps a tag. I love this little blue bird. And then there's another inventory tag and a blank one and another guest check. And she always makes one of these big bookmarks out of the paper that came. So here's the feather side. And I don't know if you can see the notes, but maybe. But anyway, it's just beautiful paper. And then there's a time card. So those are in there. I'm just going to put that back inside the bag. And then I'll paper clip the willy on because I don't want to. Well, maybe I'll get it back in the bag. I don't want to smash it up yet. Okay. And then you get some paper. So you get these. This is pretty little paper. It's got flowers on the front and this blue on the back. And then this blue textured paper. I like that on this side, and on this side it's got flowers. And here's some labels. And some book page, and I love that these have ducks on them. And then just some other book page. Oh, this is cool. This is a book in like, I want to say Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure, but it's really cool. So, that is on there. And then, have another book page. And this pretty, and here is a page out of a book with trees and stuff. Another dictionary page, I think, or is it? Oh, it's Shakespeare. Coin page. And then this beautiful piece of paper here, stationery page. And, oh, I love that it's double-sided. And this beautiful piece of wallpaper. I love this. I already had an idea what I might want to do with this. And so, yeah, that is the kit itself. And what comes with the kit, when you order the whole kit, this is what comes with the kit. You get the journal, the feather, all the pieces inside, all the little baggies inside. So that is the kit, the collection kit. You can just buy the little journal itself, or you can buy pieces of the ephemera and stuff by itself. And what I did this time was I actually got the 15 piece pack of ephemera, and because I love her ephemera, and I want to do a spring journal too. And so be looking forward to some of these journals because they will be for sale. But I'm also doing some for me. But this is a 15-piece ephemera kit that I bought. And I'm not sure, but I think she still has some of those available as well. So with this 15-piece, you really get more than 15 pieces if you think about it. So I have another little gold feather. And the little sticker says, "Let it be." And then I have some of these garment pins with little feathers, and that is really cute. This beautiful little sticker. It's like washi tape sticker. Another one of these with a bird on it. Another little index card, a little coin envelope. Another little bird card. A musical note thing. Oh, and another little playing card. Oh, this is really cute with the flowers and the beads on it. Then another little glossine bag with a little inventory tag. We'll stick that in there. And then these are a couple of little clear bags with the little flowers on them. Let's see if you can see them. So here, like that. So a couple of those. And then a piece of really stationery paper. And then some more book page with ducks on it. Another Shakespeare page. Oh, look at this envelope. This is like a tall envelope with the stationery page that goes with it. That's really cool. And then another page of this beautiful wallpaper. And this has little birdies and nests on it. So lots of choices. I just got this mainly to add to that. Not that it wouldn't be enough, but because I knew I wanted to complete 2 journals. So, but that is it. Make sure you go down and check out Cheaply Chic's channel. And I'll make sure I'll link this kit sale below in the description box so that you can go straight to her website and look around and see what she has. So she does beautiful work, and Lynette is just such a beautiful person anyway. So please go check her out. Tell her I sent you over there. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.